Okay. So you may have seen on the internet or the Weather Channel this type of map. And what it shows us, it uses both numbers and there's a key at the top with colors that shows us temperature. And it's color-coded based on usually about 10 degrees of temperature. You can see I can draw these lines and show you kind of the boundary. So we have computers that put forth these models, but it's pretty easy to do on your own. So if you look at the map at the bottom of your sheet, we're going to draw what are called isotherms. Iso means equal, therm means heat, so we're drawing lines that connect areas of equal heat. So this is very similar to when we drew contour lines on topographic maps. So you can see a couple have been done here for you. If you look at the 10 degree line, let me switch colors here, you can see that every point along this line has a temperature of 10 degrees. Now, where the line is drawn, you kind of have to estimate where it goes if there's no 10s there. So I know that 10 is between 5 and 11, it's between 9 and 13, between 9 and 18, and so on. So when you are drawing isotherms, it's usually in intervals of 10. So my next line would be the 40 degree line. So I'm going to start over here. So I know that 40 is between 35 and 47, between 38 and 47, between 36 and 44. And I'm just going to continue that on around. All right, now here it gets tricky. It's between 35 and 47. And then I'm going to label that 30 degrees. Do the same thing for 40. Be careful right here. Remember, you want to make sure that your isotherms never cross, because a single point can't have two different temperatures at once. Just like, oops, I labeled those wrong. Let me go back. That was our 40 degree and our 50 degree. Okay, and then I need to do my 60. And 70, and then I even have an 80 here. And then a lot of times you will see the maps are color coded based on the temperature. So you can go back and color, and you can do a much neater job than me. But you get the idea. And then you can make a key for your temperatures. So if you had a map without numbers, so that would be, let's say, 0 to 10 degrees, 10 to 20 degrees, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40, and so on. So you will also do one of these on your own in your notes. You'll do the same thing. Now notice that this one actually has some numbers that would be on the line. So I'll do the first one here. So for example, the 40 degree line, I've got some 40, so my line will go right through 40. Otherwise, I've got, again, to estimate where that would be. All right, and so you'll finish this one and do the same thing that we did on the first one together.